Hello traders, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to take trades with candlestick analysis. Let's start now. This is Euro JP pair. The trend is in uptrend here. So this is 50-minute chart. I'm going to take trades for 15 minutes. So this candlestick will close at 8:45. So here there is a level. I will show you. So this whole area is a level. This whole area is a level. So I am seeing a reversal sign at the level and the market is in uptrend. And this is the next level of this is the next level. It didn't reach the level. It means I can go with buyers from this point. Okay. So in 1 minute chart, it is a level. It is a breakout. Okay. Okay. So it is a level. Okay. Now still there is a gap. So the candle should go up only. So there is a breakout, but it got support again. It didn't make a low. It means the market will go up only. But this is a late entry. If I enter here, so I will enter from this level. Okay. So this is a neckline point and a shoulder point, and the market is getting support here. So this breakout might be a fake breakout because the market is getting support from this neckline at the same shoulder point. It is getting support. Okay. So I will enter from this point. And I am seeing a reversal sign means I can go with buyers only because it is a level. Okay. Okay. So I entered here with buyers for 50 minutes. Okay. So from this point, because it is a reversal sign, it closed at the level. That's why I placed my trade here. Okay, let's see what happens here. Okay. Okay, let's see what happens. Okay. In 15 minutes, so it is trying to close as a bullish candlestick, and so here there is a level. At this level, we are seeing a reversal sign again with strong lower rejection. So it means we can go with buyers again. Okay. So I will show you the level, the shoulder point. So we are seeing a rejection from this shoulder point. Okay. So again, we are seeing a reversal sign, a spinning top candlestick or a doji candlestick again. From this level, the market is getting support. So already we know it is a level. So it is a shoulder point. The market rejected from the same level. Okay. So now I will place one more trade here in the direction of the trend. Okay. So from this point, I will try to place my trade, not here. Okay. So a very strong bullish candlestick. Maybe I may get one trade from this point, from this shoulder level. Okay. So still there is a gap to this level. So from this level, so the market will try to fill this gap because the market is in uptrend and it got support and started to go up. Yeah, if it comes to this level, I will try to enter from this line, or I will try to enter from this line. Possible. I will try to enter from this line because it is a rejection point. Or from the opening price also we can go with buyers because it's a previous level. The market got support here. From this point also the market rejected. Okay. So you can see there is a breakout happened in the market. So it's a breakout and it is a neckline point and a shoulder point. So if it comes into the level, into this level, so the market will get support here easily. So from this point we can enter directly to. Not from this point because it's not good to trade from this point directly. So mostly the market will not get support from the trendline point where the market broke the level. So it's not good to enter here. Okay. Okay, I will wait until the market come to this level. Then I will enter. Because this is only the correct point to enter. Because it is an uptrend, a breakout happen in the market. So in Forex also, you can enter from this level and you can target this level because this is the extreme point. Okay. Okay, I have 5 more minutes to decide to take trade. Okay. Okay, I will wait until I get proper opportunity to enter. So we are seeing a engulfing pattern. From this level, it means the market will go up from this point. Okay. But it's very late entry if I enter here. So I should enter from this level or from this level. That is very safe to enter. But we should not enter in the middle of the candle. So this is in the middle of the candle. We should not enter here. Yeah. Okay. It is only trying to reach this level continuously. So we should not take trade until we get a right opportunity. Okay, I will wait. Okay, I have only 40 seconds to enter. If it comes within 40 seconds, I will enter, otherwise I will leave it. I will try to enter on the next candlestick. Hmm. Okay, I didn't get any opportunity here to enter. So I will wait until the market, until the candle close. Then I will decide to enter on the next candlestick. So I will wait for 5 minutes. Okay, okay. So I didn't get any opportunity here to enter the previous candlestick, but in the running candlestick, so it closed as a weak green candlestick, but still it has upper rejection. Okay, so still it has upper rejection and it reached the shoulder point. So it is a breakout, it reached the shoulder point and it is a trend line point also. So this is perfect entry to go with buyers. Okay, now let's see what happens here. Okay, so we have 15 seconds. So this candlestick also closing as a green candlestick. So and a continuation sign again. So from the same level. So continuously we are seeing green candlestick. Okay. So still we can go with buyers. So it didn't get support here. It broke this level directly and it got support here and started to go up. Okay. So this is the actual target. That's why the market is trying to reach this level. Yeah, because the overall trend is an uptrend and the market is getting support from this shoulder points in 15-minute chart. Okay. So still we can expect buyer's entry only here. So this overall trend Okay, this is the overall trend. The market broke this level again. So it will come to the same level to retest the level. Then I will enter. Okay. Okay. So this is the level. So I have opportunity here to enter. Okay. Okay. So I will enter from this trend line point. Okay. Okay. So I placed a higher option trade. So I placed a higher option trade from this trend line point because overall this trend has been broken and the market is in uptrend. And I saw a reversal sign again or a continuous sign for this uptrend. And I placed my trade at the trend line point. Okay. Okay, let's see what happens here. Yeah. So this is a winning trade. Okay. So again, we are seeing buyer's entry. So it means still the buyers wants to continue its uptrend because it is in uptrend and the market is at the shoulder point. So in 15 minutes, it is a shoulder point. It is a rejection point too. And if you want to enter, you can enter from this trend line point here and here and here for better entry points for marginal safety. So this is my first trade. So this is my first trade because I'm seeing a reversal sign near to this level. So and the trend is an uptrend. That's why I placed here. This whole area is a level. That's why I took this candlestick as a reversal sign. And okay, so this is my second trade. Okay, this is my second trade. I missed the entry point in this candlestick. That's why I couldn't enter. And I have waited for this candlestick to enter. And this is my second trade because of this continuations and continuously I am seeing upper rejections from the support level, telling us that there are some strong buyers interest in the market. That's why I placed my trade here because still the market is at this level and still I am seeing continuous green candlesticks. And this is my last trade because of this strong huge buying pressure candlestick and a hammer candlestick closing at the level and it formed hammer candlestick at the level. That's why I placed my trade here. And I took my trades in 15 seconds because someone commented in my video to take trades in 15 minutes with the same logic. So you can apply the same logic in every time frame, like 1 day chart also. There is no difference. You can apply the same strategy in 1 minute. You can apply the same strategy in 15-minute chart also. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, like, share and subscribe.